Keith Trades. Today is September 23rd. Happy Monday, and it's just a one for one day. Very simple. Did not like price action, but we still executed a great trade, caught the win, and copped off. And I'm going to teach you today how we profit in bad action, how we've been able to stick to this whole September market and maintain green day after green day after green day. But first and foremost, right, pretty light testimonials today, right? This from what I got. Member took the short with me, and then took his own trades. He started with $200 as a beginner, guys. Here's the proof. His account sits at $1,000, and you can see all the timestamp, all the growth every single day to see his account here. Guys, look at day in, day out. That is a 400% ROI, a 5x on his account in less than 3 weeks. And then someone took his own trade. Beautiful stuff, guys. So pretty light. But let's go over my pre-market plan. Right, so I waited for 15 minutes in the open because of the news. I said we delivered higher, we sold off. I want to see a sweep out, sell side, find the buyers at the new week opening gap point. Right, my target's higher was to fill the 1 hour imbalance and then the pre-market high. My short plan was we were already in a sell model. So I want to see delivery off open to these targets here. And I said wait for news, and I said, right, we should see a sell model lower. So I'm leaning bearish on the day. So points of interest, very simple, guys. Noting this bullish has been inversed, and we formed this 4 hour that we were currently in. My reprice target, that 20,018 target, or 20,108, was just this wick high here to fill back into the 1 hour fair value up here. My target's lower. Sell side, sell side, sell side, sell side. Targets higher were fill the imbalance and then the buy side highs here. Pre-market high. By coming into the session open, choppy market, very choppy. But I was content with my trade. A plus setup here. Buy side swept. We are clearly looking overall starting to be bearish. I wanted to see this respective discount to break structure to run lower. But we noted that the markets were inefficient and choppy. So what do we do with that? We play the market extremely tight, taking profit wise. On stop losses, we leave a bigger stop. And we do what to combat a bigger stop? We size down. Right, so we buy side swept. We had an SMT confluence at the highs here. Right, 6 o'clock high, swept. If we go to ES, right, 6 o'clock high here. We end up going lower high here off the open. And then on NQ, we did what? Higher high off the open. So we have an SMT, so buy side swept. Looking for what? Draws lower. Point of entry, inverse here. Or we stayed patient and waited for the inverse here. We got the inverse close. Got our long entry. I placed my stop at the 90 point. Not 90 point, my fault. 95 point, I'm pretty sure. Somewhere around here. And as you can see, we almost got stopped out twice. But what do we do, guys? We don't care about the market. We held the plan. Right, my targets were PT1 here, PT2, and then PT3. All of these. But because of the price action, because it was so iffy, once we broke the 20,060 low, I said, put your stop loss to break even and get a scale. So members ended up taking profits up to 29 points. So I caught around 20 points. Gabe caught 26 points around here. But I just said scale out your position and go break even. And then the same candle later, we get out break even. And what would have happened? Would have been stopped out anyways. And your target would have been hit at 10 o'clock. That is how we trade choppy price action. We take what the market offers. Yes, this is my target. Yes, this is my target. So what did I do? I scaled, went risk-free, and left a runner in case it went there. But I see green and I take green. So how do we trade choppy price action? Number one is not looking for efficiency, right? If we're looking for efficient markets, we would want to see respect and rip straight down. This is what's likely to happen. But because we see the action coming today, what are we going to do instead? Play the market tight. This is the only time that this quote works. See green, take green. This is the only time it works, is in choppy price action. Because in regular action, if you see green, take green too much, you're going to do what? Skew your risk reward. 99% of the times, we trust our edge to here and to here. But because of the price action, because of the sloppy markets, because we're at small size, we just let go. Once we broke the lows, we went break even. We scaled out for 20 to 30 points, called a day. Number one, not looking for efficiency, right? We're not looking for these targets. I left a what? A runner. I left a runner just in case we would get this. Play the market tight. What does that mean? Broke the internal low. I took what the market offered. Number three, get green, get gone. This is the only trade that we took today. Once I took this, I stayed on for about 15 more minutes. Once I started seeing this, I'm gone. Come out the PM session. I hop on around 9 o'clock. I see this. Should I trade that? No. Maintain your discipline. I was content with being 1 for 1 or even break even and no trade. But luckily, we caught a nice piece. We adapted the market right, and we took this nice win here, guys. That is how you trade choppy markets. You don't look for efficient delivery. You play the market tight. You widen your stop losses and size down. When you see green, you take green. When you get green, you get gone. That's the only trade that we took. And if I would have taken any other trade, I might have got a win. I might have got stopped out. Or I might have done what? Messed up my psychology. Totally fine with a 1 for 1. Started off the Monday right. And we hope to see better action tomorrow. But that's going to be it today, guys. How to identify conditions. How to execute in choppy action. But that's going to be September 23rd's recap. Thank you for liking. Whoops, my bad. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll be sure to get back to that. Peace out, guys.